Good morning, guys. Welcome to Social Studies. Let's review for your exam. First topic, types of maps. Do you remember the types of map we saw before? One type of maps is one that shows the division of a state, the divisions of a country. What kinds of map is that? And remember,
I see the
political map, exactly. And remember that a map is it's a representation. It's a representation usually on a flat surface as of the feature of an area of the earth, or also could be representations of a portion of of the heavens, showing them in their respective forms and sizes. Exactly, Majo. Political map is the first type of map.
Then the physical map.
Physical map
Climate map.
and climate map, exactly. Political map shows borders. Borders that divide an area into countries. Borders that divide an area into states or into counties. It can also show cities, roads, buildings, and other human elements. That also can show a political map. So in a political map, basically, we saw divisions. And so we know where that our country begins and when our country finished, or how, or also we can use it to compare the sizes of the countries or the continents. Here is a United States of America political map, is an example. Here you can see the division of the 50 states. This island belongs to Hawaii. Now, the second type of map, physical. Gabriel, read physical map, please.
Shows the location of physical features such as landforms, bodies of water or a course.
Bodies of water, landforms such as, who can tell me an example of landform? An example of landform. Who can tell me an example of landform?
A lake. A mountain. The mountain rouge. Rouge.
Exactly. Mountain is an example of physical map. Physical, exactly. A mountain is an example of landform. What about a body of water? What about a body of water?
Rio Colorado.
A river, exactly. Colorado River. River, it is an example of a body of water. Another example of landform, valley, plain, volcano. See? All of these are examples of landforms. Bodies of water, lakes, rivers, lagoon, oceans. So here we have a physical map. In this map, we can see the different features, the physical features of the earth, where the mountains are located, a specific mountain or a specific river. We can see it here. And to know what is the name of this river, the number 3, or what does that blue line represent, we have a key, which is a part of a map. We're gonna see it in the second summary. Okay, this key explains or tell us what each drawing represent. And the last types of map is climate map. Swag, read climate map, please. Swag, please. We cannot listen to you, Swan.
Yes, I can help swap.
Apparently her volume is not working. Nothing, Swan. No, I don't know what is happening. Yeah, we cannot listen. Yes?
I can help swap.
Okay, Kristen.
Image map. It is a graphical representation of the distribution of the prevailing
Prevailing weather.
in a given area that has been observed over a long period.
Period, exactly. Exactly. So we know that our country has a tropical weather, a tropical climate, because it's the same the whole year. It's the same year after year. So we live in a tropical climate area. That's why it says that climate map is a graphical representation. We can see the climate of the world in this map. And the key is in color. In color. And it shows us the prevailing weather pattern. Okay? For observe for over a long period of time. That's why I said that the climate in our country is tropical, because the climate is the same year after year. What else do we have? We have part of a map. Parts of a map. The number one is Isabella. Read the number one, please.
Okay, Miss. 1. Map title. The title tells what a map shows. A map's title gives us our first clue about its content.
Content, okay? Content, exactly. Just by reading the title, you have an idea what the map is about, okay? Map title is our first part. The title tells what a map shows. United States of America. So this one, give us a clue. Number 2, Iris. Read number 2, please.
What?
Read, please. What are you doing, Iris? You are writing something.
K-O-N.
Key. Map. Sorry. Map. Key. Key. Iris, are you listening to me? Map key. No map K. Key.
Map key. Legend. Legends. Explains what the symbol on the map stands for.
Exactly. And here we have examples. These fine represent a park. This red symbol represent a gas station. This blue line represent a road. Okay. This one. Oh, this represent a mountain. This is a cave. Okay. So every picture represents something. And you can interpret that legend, that symbol, by reading the map key. The map key tells what that symbol stands for. Okay. Sebastian, read compass rose, please.
part of the map that shows the cardinal NISEW and
Intermediate direction. Sebastián, and what those initials represent? What does N means? N is for? N is for? Class, do you know what the letter N means? Letter N? What does it mean?
The north.
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 North. The
The
S?
north. The south. The
South.
south.
E?
East.
East. Yeah.
East.
W?
The east. East.
W?
West. West.
West.
West.
Okay, so north,
West. West.
north, south, east, and west are cardinal direction. What about NE?
Direct. Northeast.
Northeast. This one?
Southeast.
Southeast. This?
Southwest.
Southwest.
Southwest, and the next one, northwest.
Northwest. Okay, so northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest are intermediate directions. This is the compass rose with the cardinal directions, and these included the intermediate. Intermediate directions are between two cardinal directions. And when you combine them, you got the name. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is for Daniel. Read scale, please. Read scale, please, Daniel.
Scale.
Linear scale.
Is usually present on most maps. It tells you how much map distance represents a certain real distance.
Distance, exactly. So the scale helps us understand the size of a map. The number 5, it says copy, but you don't have to. The number 5 is for Diego. Read the number 5, Diego, please.
Red. Intersecting lines to locate a specific
intersecting
place.
Line.
Intersecting lines to help locate
a specific. I miss a letter.
A specific place on a map.
Places.
Places on a map. The grid on map are the imaginary lines of latitude and longitude.
Exactly. So grid are these lines. This, la cuadrícula. That's the grid. Okay. The grid on map are the imaginary lines. Remember that latitude are lines that run from left to right, horizontal lines. And longitude are lines that runs from up to down. Those are vertical lines. And that's the grid. Okay, guys. So we finish our class with this. Do you have questions about these two summaries we saw? About part of a map. Remember that you did a homework related with grid. We did a homework related with grid. Questions? No questions?
No, miss. No questions.
No questions. Okay, so we finished with this. Remember, you don't have to take a picture. Just pay attention, please, in all the classes. So see you in the next class, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.